My dear students, now today I want to discuss the application of trigonometry. How will you apply trigonometry to find the height and distance? Now, the main points which you have to understand is, suppose if O is observer and P is object, then this is line of sight and this is horizontal line. So angle made between the line of sight and horizontal is known as angle of elevation. If P is here observer and O is object, O is object, then we draw a line parallel to the horizontal, this OB, and try to keep in your mind, P is here observer and O is object. Then this angle is known as angle of depression. And OA and PB are parallel, so angle of elevation is equal to angle of depression. Now, these are the main points which you have to study. Now, I want to solve some problem. Here, this is, I just told you, OA is parallel to PB. So this angle of depression is equal to this angle. Now, angle of depression is not angle of elevation. Here this angle is depression, so this angle is also depression. So my dear students, now in this way, question arises, how will you solve the problem of height and distance? Now I want to start to solve the problem of exercise 9.1. Before starting to solve the problem, I want to explain you how will you proceed. This is a very important thing, important point. First you read the problem and try to draw its picture. And here the main point is what you have to find out. Suppose ABC is a right angle triangle. You have to find AB and BC is given. BC is given. So what you have to find, you must take in the numerator. And what is given, you must take in denominator. And consider and find the ratio with respect to the acute angle. What will be its ratio? Make it more clear. Suppose you have to find AB and AC is given in this figure. So you AB by AC with respect to this angle, AB by AC is P by H, and here we will take sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree. Now come to the point. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly straight hold and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree, let AB is equal to H meter. Be the height of the pole. Angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Since we have to find AB with respect to the acute angle ACB, now we have to find AB with respect to this acute angle, and AC is given. That's why you take AB in numerator. What you have to find, you must take in numerator. Then it will be easy to solve the problem. So sin 30 is equal to AB by AC. And now AB you have to find out. So take AB in numerator and AC is given in denominator. And decide which trigonometrical ratio will take. This will be sin theta. This will be sin theta is equal to AB by AC. AB is equal to H, so H is equal to 20 sin 30 degree. And the value of sin 30 degree is half. So height of this AB is, pole is 10 meter. My dear students, in this way you will solve the problem. You must keep in your mind. You draw a clean, neat figure and a marks will be given on the figure. Whatever the marks will be allotted in exam, you will get. It will be provided you. So you must first draw a neat, clean diagram, level diagram, and keep in your mind the part which we have to determine must take in numerator, and the part which is given must take in denominator, and decide with respect to the acute angle which trigonometrical ratio will take. This is main point in my opinion. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, जो बच्चा ये जान गया कि जिसका मान निकालना है उसको न्यूमरेटर में, जिसका मान दिया हुआ है उसको डिनोमिनेटर में, और जो एंगल का वैल्यू एक्यूट एंगल का दिया हुआ है उसके रिस्पेक्ट में कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल होगा रेशियो, इस मेथड से बनाओगे तो सवाल में गुना करना पड़ेगा, भाग नहीं देना पड़ेगा. यहाँ देखो, यू हैव टू फाइंड एच, एच निकालना है और AC दिया हुआ है तो यहाँ गुना कर गया. भाग से भी होता ही है तो कॉसेक 30 डिग्री लेते हैं. इसलिए बहुत जगह किताब वाला भी, किताब में भी इन सब बातों की गहराई से चर्चा नहीं है. मैं जब देखता हूँ तो रेंडमली किताब वाला भी रेशियो ले रहा है, भाग दे या गुना दे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. मतलब गुना की क्रिया, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की क्रिया आसान होती है, भाग की क्रिया कठिन होती है. इसलिए इससे बचने के लिए हम यहाँ ये टिप्स, ये हथियार उठाएंगे. क्या? जिसको निकालना है वो ऊपर में है, जिसके टर्म में निकालना है जो नॉन है वो नीचे में. इस तरह से जो बात रेशियो फॉर्म कर लिया, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो सेलेक्ट कर लिया, उसका सवाल आसानी से बनेगा. नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट टू सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2. ए ट्री breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Let h meter be the height of the tree. Let bottom part be x meter. Now AT is equal to AC. AT is equal to AC. Height of the tree is equal to AB plus AT. AB plus AT. Question is, how will you find AT? That is AC. So in this way, we see here selection of T ratio is important. Try to understand. Which trigonometrical ratio will take is very important. Now we have to find what? क्या निकालना है? AC. किसके टर्म है? BC के टर्म है. ये एंगल दिया हुआ है तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में कौन सा ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो लोगे? यही सबसे बड़ी बात है. तो नाउ किसको निकालना है? AC को. क्या दिया हुआ है? BC. और एंगल कितना है? 30 डिग्री. तो AC by BC. For this angle, AC by BC is what? Here in this figure, AB by BC. AB by BC. AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degree. So AB is equal to how much? Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So AB is equal to 8 root 3. Now we find out AC. Then which trigonometrical ratio will take? AC by BC with respect to this angle 30 degree. We will take sec 30 degree. Hypotenuse by base. ये बहुत कारगर फार्मूला है. Hypotenuse by base is equal to sec. तो sec 30 degree is equal to AC by BC. So AC is equal to BC sec 30 degree. So AC is equal to 8 into 2 root 3. So by adding first and second we have AB plus AC is equal to 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3 is equal to 24 by root 3. And making denominator, rationalize the denominator, we will multiply it by root 3 by root 3. So it will be 8 root 3. In this way, 80 is equal to 8 root 3. So broken part, find the broken part, length of broken part. 80 is equal to AC. So in this way, we can find the value of, find the height of the tree. The height of the tree is equal to AB plus 80. AB plus 80. And it will be AB is equal to 8 root 3. Yes. Height of the tree. Height of the tree is BT. AB plus 80. AB plus 80 is BT. My dear student, it is not 80, it is BT. And it will be 8 root 3. So in this way, AB plus AC. AC is equal to 80. So AB plus 80 is equal to BT. So height of the tree, BT is equal to 8 root 3, 8 into root 3 meter. In this way we can calculate the height of the tree. My dear students, after solving this problem, now I will solve next problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.